What's up, world? This is Nick from Down Under, Australia. Just giving you a look at my zombie / bug out vehicle. 2002 Toyota Hilux LN172R Space Cab. It's running a 3-litre diesel with an aftermarket turbo, a TD04, and we've also got it matched up to a Steinbauer performance chip, running with a snorkel, K&N air filter, Old Man Emu lift kit, just so you can run over those zombies. Steel bull bar, spotties on the front so you can see in the dark. As you can see, she's all legit. Even got my permit. Cargo net with a camo so you can hide out if you need to. Alloy tray. Running UHF whenever the mobile signals go out. So you can fit 5 in the cab if you need to. But yeah guys, that's how we do it down under in Australia. Ultimate zombie bug out vehicle. The ultimate getaway.